Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, RBPlat calls for the Commission of Inquiry to be broader than Lonmin. Gold Fields is adopting private equity rigour to boost gold equities' image. And Implats cuts back R1 billion on its 2013 capital expenditure. Royal Bafokeng Platinum CEO Steve Phiri has called for the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into the Lonmin killings to have the broadest possible terms of reference.
I would be very much happy if the terms of reference are all-inclusive. You don't have to include everything possible that you think could cause the flaring up that we have seen. But I would also want to see it quite broader to say that should include all the violences that we have seen all over the country unrelated to the mining industry, because there is always a temptation to say, aha, mining companies, we told you're not doing enough for workers, you're not doing enough for communities. And you ignore other things, other events that take place in Guguletu, for example, where there is no mine, in East London, whatever, in Port Elizabeth, wherever these incidents are taking place when lives are being lost. So it is a pattern, it's becoming a culture that when we complain, we kill, we burn, we destroy. So it has to be very much inclusive to say what is happening with us, South Africans.
Goldfield CEO Nick Holland, who has been globally lauded for rejecting the Jam Tomorrow approach of gold mining companies in a bombshell speech in Melbourne, announced that Goldfields would be putting its money where its mouth was and placing the gold company under rigorous operational review in order to boost its image as a standout gold equity.
We're going to look at every single asset and say, first of all, is this asset making money for us? Or is it just an ounce machine? Is it ounces at any cost? And we should actually not be afraid to say maybe we should produce less ounces but be more profitable than what we were producing more ounces. And again, this has been a no-no for the industry. Everyone's been afraid to drop their production estimates and targets, even though they have revised their guidance a number of times. So that's the first key part of it.
JSE-listed platinum producer Impala Platinum has vowed to dig itself out of the difficulties weighing on it after reporting underperforming financial results in the year ended June 2012.
Costs at Impala rose by 29% to 13,913 Rand per refined platinum ounce, and that was off the back of lower volumes as well as higher inflation. Costs at Implats, which remain one of the lowest cost producers in the industry, rose by 17% in Rand terms to 9,594 per platinum ounce in MAT, driven primarily by steep increases in wages and power tariffs. Inflation was in fact at 23.1% in Rand terms and 11.2% in dollar terms.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.